The following video features a time-lapse taken from Module 11 on drawing the ear from Portrait Drawing the Smart Way. To learn how you can access this entire course as well as the other drawing and painting courses we have to offer, visit thevirtualinstructor.com/members. Portrait Drawing the Smart Way is a complete video course on drawing portraits designed for beginner and intermediate artists. The goal of this logically sequenced course is to provide the learner with a rich learning experience through easy-to-digest modules consisting of video demonstrations and accompanying ebooks. This course covers absolutely everything that you need to know to start creating successful portraits today. We cover everything from the underlying structure of the face, and of course, basic facial proportions. We also take a look at the planes of the face and how light affects each individual plane. We also look at individual facial features. We take a look at the eye from both the frontal view and the profile view. We also take an in-depth look at drawing the nose, again from both a frontal view and a profile view. We also take a look at a step-by-step approach to drawing a mouth and how to create those realistic skin textures by blending white charcoal pencil and graphite pencil applications. We take a look at drawing realistic hair, and we also take a look at two proven methodologies for laying out an accurate portrait every time. Now understand, not everyone learns by just watching videos. That's why illustrated ebooks are included with each one of the modules so that you can download the ebook and use it to follow along with the video. The course consists of 19 logically sequenced modules that total nearly 5 hours of video instruction, and of course 18 illustrated ebooks are included as well. So start creating accurate and realistic portraits today and join me in portrait drawing the smart way.